Okay, so first I started with the line from the top of view, and I made sure that it's smooth, and then create this line. And usually I make sure that it's adaptive, so I don't have to smooth it more later on. From the left view, I created the section that I wanted to do, so by using shift I started with this part, making sure that it's straight, and then again shift. I will convert them to corner later on. I'm just keeping it as smooth for now because I need it for this part, which is, so you can create whatever shape you want. So I'll just do these shapes quickly, then yes, then I would press on 1 to go to vertices and select these vertices and convert them to a corner. So basically this is my shape. Of course you can adjust it according to whatever you want. So and let's say I will take this one a little bit to this side. So after you're done with the shape of the line, we need to copy it along this line. So first I'll just align it. So in X and Y, I will keep it minimum to minimum. And then I will use from tools, align, I will use the spacing tool, which is this one. So I will click on it, and then I'll get this window. I will click on pick path, and I will select this one. Now I have the copies. One more thing I forgot to do. You need to, let me just cancel this one for now. First you can extrude the shape to give it thickness, or you can use sweep. I will use sweep because it will give me a little bit curves on the edges, or chamfer. So let me just use sweep here. First on F3. From here I will change this to tube, so I get this shape. And then of course you can control the parameters, so you can control the length. Let's say I need it to be more, width and make it less. And then of course you can change the thickness from here, or you can change the corner to control how much you want the radius to be. Okay, so let's say I'll keep it this way. Now I will copy it. So I will go again to tools, align, and then spacing tool, and then I will select pick path, and from here you can change your parameters. So let's say I need 50 copies, or you can control the spacing. This is up to you. Okay, so it will give me this shape, and then you can control here if you want it to be free centered, or if you want it to define evenly, and we have a lot of other options that you can use. So regarding the option, you will select whatever you need, and then that's it. You have the option to follow the path, but then it will follow it with rotate as well. You have the option to start from edges or from centers as well. This is up to you. So if it's from the center, the spacing will be less. So you can control it. Whenever you're done, just click on apply and close, and you don't need this object anymore. And then I will select this, and I'll add FFD box, and then I'll change the numbers here. So let's say I need 10 in the height, and 10 in the width, and then 2 in the length. I just need to check if this is okay. Yeah, so basically from the top I don't need anything, and from here I need more options to control. Okay, so I'll start with clicking on FFD, and then I will select the points. Let's say I want to select these points, and I will use scale, for example, to scale them, or move to move them up and down. So you can play around with the shape according to what the end result that you want. So I'll just move them around. You can either move or scale or whatever. This is up to you again. And that's it. So this is basically the method that I used to create this wall, but again you can have a different result according to the line you start with and how you play around with all of these options. And yeah, basically that's it.